Raj, why don't you talk about, I know you are experienced in Ayurveda and how important it is to have discipline and good food habits along with the medicine. Could you talk about that for a moment, please?
Yeah, Dr. Sushant and Betska, because I have gone through my past and what I have learned from my experience, and whenever I meet with my people, friends, and professional colleagues. So, what I have learned from my good habits, my gym, my yoga, my meditation habits, when you are taking Ayurveda medicine, so you need so much discipline and very disciplined food, simple food, not so much spicy, oily, alcoholic, and non-veg, because you need, if you want good result from Ayurveda medicine, so you need so much discipline, very strict routine life, and good food habits. So people are not following this practice, so many people. So they are not taking Ayurveda, they are taking shortcut allopathic fast result.
What do you think about that, Dr. Sushant?
I do believe today's patient, they require the shortcuts. They don't want to, because they are there too, because in daily life they are so busy with their routine life. They have to catch the train to go anywhere. They have the appointments. They have so many things. In Ayurveda, there are so many things need to follow. Like you need to take a kada, you need to prepare it, then you need to eat it. It's difficult for them, but at least from my side, to follow the dietary part at this stage, because for any condition, it has to be caused, it is started from the smaller size, it's aggravate and it turns into the disease. If we at that point initiated, if the someone person is like having acidity continuously, and if we continue taking the antacids, definitely going to hamper his blood or blood clots in his body in near future.
Wow. Wow, look at that.
Because the pitta, that acid going to dissolve somewhere and it will gonna lodge somewhere, it definitely gonna have some opposite reaction to your body.
Mm-hmm. So one of the things we wanted to just chat about briefly is purity, the purity of Ayurvedic medicine. And I know you've talked about this before, Dr. Sushant, the importance of the practitioner, the Ayurvedic doctor, giving the purest of medicines. Could you talk about that, please?
Purest of medicines, like I've seen the cases which had lined up into the liver or kidney failure because of the impurity of the medicines.
Ah, wow.
I've
Did you hear
seen,
that? Kidney, liver failure because of impure medicine.
yes, with the Ayurvedic impure medicines, if they're not prepared or adulterated medicine has been used,
Okay.
definitely. I've seen the results. The patient came with the results, and that we tested that sample and which contains the metals.
Okay.
So need to carefully the proper who is ritually practicing Ayurveda.
Okay.
My guru planted his own trees at different areas in the Maharashtra, that Mumbai, and
Wow.
he pays off to the farmers to collect that medicines with that ritual way, which has been written in the granthas. Like you need to pray to that tree first, bow that tree, then you need to ask that permission, then you need to cut that, then that season you need to cut that, collected, stored, then prepared it. If you
That,
follow that,
yeah,
it acts wonderful.
that just shows, well, I know the power of prayer when I'm eating food and the power of prayer for anything. So again, what we're doing is we're raising the vibration, the frequency, and we're honoring the plant. Yeah. Saying thank
Yes,
you to the plant for giving us your medicine. Wow, that is true oneness with nature, isn't it?
yes, yes, true.
Wow. So one question I want to ask is, how can we use Ayurvedic medicine to prevent illness now?
To prevent illness, first need to follow the
Need to follow what?
diet. I have treated so many patients with the diet. A diet plays a very important role. Like whatever eats, it's ahar rasa. You can treat as a medicine, not
Okay.
the actual medicine to take. If you take proper a diet, because I have treated azoospermia, means a zero sperm count with this only diet part. And patient within a 3 months she got a pregnant. Can you imagine?
Yeah.
Azoospermia, that gynecologist has referred to Ayurveda. The 12 years of infertility, patient get fertile after 3 months with only
Wow.
diet. Even the
Wow. That's amazing.
Parkinsonism, I don't prefer any medicines. I give only diet.
Uh-huh.
Can you believe? With the diet
Yeah.
only,
Yeah.
Parkinsonism gone.
Yeah. Wow. This is so, it's a science, right? It's a science. It's so
It's a science.
exciting. Yeah. I had a similar story where I had a therapist who came to me because she couldn't get pregnant, and I used mind kinetics on her, and she ended up having twins.
Great, great.
So it was just her mind, right? So again, that mind, body, and spirit. So okay, so I think it's really important to prevent illness. We need to invite people to eat plant-based food, pure
True.
plant-based food to start with, right? No
Yes,
meat,
correct.
no dairy, nothing, pure whole
Yes,
plant-based
yes.
food. Well, so I hope everyone listening here today really got that to prevent illness in the future, eat only whole plant-based foods. Yeah.
True.
And start there, and then call Dr. Sushant if you have any issues. He'll be there for you.
Thank you so much. But with this plant diet, definitely gonna help you. It's easy to digest. Even
Yeah.
the whatever he eats, like a milk products, I have seen the results. I have read the research also.
Yeah.
Because of the cow milk, definitely more of the females have landed up into the cancer of the breast or uterus
Oh yes, with cow's milk.
because of
Yes.
the cow milk. It
Oh,
has
I
been
know.
research is published.
Yeah.
So people
Yeah.
should avoid all this
Yes.
dietary and all. Need to follow the
And
plant-based.
exactly, and they don't have to give up anything. I mean, I drink almond milk and oat milk and cashew milk, whatever. There are so many different plant-based milks that are healthier for us and give that nice creamy texture to your curries and whatever. So,
Yeah,
Doctor, go ahead, Raj. Go ahead.
right food is also like a medicine.
Right food is
Like a
medicine.
medicine.
Is the
Yeah, it's
medicine.
like
Yeah,
a medicine. Awesome. Okay, Dr. Sushant, thank you for your
Thank
time
you.
here today.
thank you,
God
thank
bless
you,
you, and we'll have to
thank
have
you,
you back because there's so much to talk about here. Thank you for
thank you
your
so much.
time.
Thank you,
Thank
Guru.
you.
Thank you so much.
Maybach music.
Can anybody out there